How you guys doing out there? Precise HVAC Home Services here. We want to thank you very much for you guys watching our videos. And today we're going to talk about how to find a leak on a refrigeration system. Doesn't matter if it's a heat pump or a regular air conditioning. They're all the same way to find a leak. And today we're going to give you the best and easiest tips and ways to find it. Here are the things that you should be looking for before looking for this leak. Now, are you getting air conditioning in your home? Number one. Number two, is the coil freezing up on you? Are you getting lack of air through your vents? Again, this is for air, period, whether it's air conditioning or this is heating. Now, if you are not getting any air out of your vents and you notice that you have a blocked condenser with ice or an indoor unit blocked with ice, highly recommend to make sure you thaw that out first before looking for the leak. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go on Amazon, True Blue Tools, any website that will sell you tools, and you're going to look for an electronic refrigerant leak detector. Make sure that the leak detector that you get is going to be A2L rated, just in case it happens to be an A2L refrigerant, because right now we're working on A2L refrigerants as of 2025, and we're going to be working on A2L refrigerants probably for the next 15-20 years, if not longer. So please make sure it's A2L rated, and when you grab the tool, make sure you put the batteries in there and look into the instructions. Make sure you look at the instructions, make sure you read it. Now, once you figure out how to operate it and turn it on, open up the doors to your indoor unit where your refrigeration lines go, right? Open that up. Now, you're gonna have, it's called a little sniffer. That's what we call it. The little end is a sniffer. So you're gonna take the little sniffer with a little wand. It's probably like a 3-foot wand, and you're gonna go to every little fitting, every little crevice, every little thing to think of on that coil to see if it's leaking. Once it starts to beep out of control, you found your leak. If you didn't find the leak there, you can move on to the next best thing, which is going to be the line set. The line set is the actual two pieces of copper that are connected from your indoor unit to the outdoor unit. Your leak can also be there as well. So before you go out there, what I highly recommend is put your little sniffer inside your drain. Very weird, right? Because why would it be leaking in your drain? It doesn't make sense. Well, if it's leaking inside your coil, that refrigerant is going to drain into your drain. So it's going to be the easiest way to find it. Put it in there, and if it beeps, then your coil is leaking. You probably just didn't hit the right spot in there. Also, now start working your way outside. Start looking at every single joint on your line set. Keep in mind that 5 years ago, we had line sets that were actually causing pinhole leaks inside the line set itself. So if you have a white insulation on your refrigeration lines, that could be where your leak is coming from. It was a proven fact that manufacturers took all that line set completely out of there, and now they started using the black and the black only. Now, when you go outside, you want to do the very same thing. Take the covers off and check your outdoor unit. Check the condenser U-bins. Check the coil itself. Check everything. Even put it on the ground to see if you find anything that might be leaking on the ground. Your compressor, your TXVs if you have one outside, your reversing valves if you have one outside. Just check it all. If your system decides to start beeping, then you know that that's where your leak is coming from. If your refrigerant leak detector did not give you any at all whatsoever information on where the leak is coming from because you probably missed a spot or whatever the case may be, another way is to nitrogen test it. For me, that's my favorite nitrogen test because you can actually isolate the indoor unit, isolate the outdoor unit, and you can isolate the refrigeration lines themselves. So that way you know exactly where this leak is coming from. And that way there's no guessing game at that point. That was an episode today of how to check for a leak, and I hope this helped you guys. And remember, if this didn't, feel free to subscribe, like, and we will get you guys another video and this topic here to give you more information. Thank you very much.